AAP leader Sanjay Singh has accused BJP of hatching a conspiracy with CBI officers to frame Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in a fake case. BJP has not reacted to these allegations so far. Let's in fact take a listen to what Sanjay Singh has stated.
जुर्म अत्याचार जाति की इंतहा हो गई है। विश्वस्त सूत्रों से जानकारी मिली है कि ऐसे समय में जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जमानत मिलने की पूरी संभावना है, उससे पहले केंद्र की भाजपा सरकार ने सीबीआई के अधिकारियों के साथ मिलकर एक बड़ी साजिश रची है और ये साजिश है अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ सीबीआई का फर्जी मुकदमा तैयार करके उनको गिरफ्तार करने की। पूरा देश देख रहा है बीजेपी की जाति, पूरा देश देख रहा है केंद्र सरकार का जुर्म, पूरा देश देख रहा है उनका अत्याचार और अन्याय, और पूरा देश केजरीवाल के साथ खड़ा होगा इस अन्याय, इस अत्याचार, इस झूठे मुकदमे के खिलाफ। कैसे न्याय मिलेगा इस देश के अंदर अगर ऐसे ही झूठे मुकदमे लगा लगा के केजरीवाल को जेल में रखने के उद्देश्य से, उनकी राजनीति को खत्म करने के उद्देश्य से, आम आदमी पार्टी को बर्बाद करने के उद्देश्य से ये कार्रवाइयां की जाएंगी। आइए हम सब मिलकर इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाएं।
Okay, of course. So there you heard reviewers. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Shubh Rana. Shubh, Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh is now he's stated that he believes that this is basically it's a false case. Give our viewers an understanding on what exactly he has insinuated.
Yes, definitely, yes, Sabi, because Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh have alleged that the BJP has hatched a conspiracy with CBI officers to frame Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal in a fake case. And he have also alleged on Tuesday that BJP has done this so that Arvind Kejriwal doesn't get relief from the Supreme Court. Also, there was no immediate reaction to the allegation from CBI or the Bharatiya Janata Party, but also in a video message on X, Mr. Sanjay Singh have wondered how would one get justice when such things are happening. And he have also added that we have learned from reliable source that BJP-led center has hatched a conspiracy with CBI officers at a time when there is a huge possibility of Arvind Kejriwal getting bail from the Supreme Court, and the entry of CBI is questionable in the matter. And also he has said that they have planned to frame him in a fake case by the CBI and get him arrested. This is the war of words which have been arising over Sanjay Singh and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, back to you, Asafri.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.